Hi everybody, this is Jamie from Jamie's Hooked. It is August 5th, and yes, I am home. Finally, summer is done. I went to work today, had a manager's meeting, and boy, I tell you what, on my way home, I got zapped by the sun. I just am so exhausted by the heat and the sun. I think I got a little sunburn, actually. Um, So anyway, so as I was coming home, I was thinking about, yeah, I have to do my crochet surprise video and unboxing, which I've been so waiting to do this. Um, but as I, came home, I was checking the mail, and I got my Willow Yarns catalog in, and it says free shipping for $60 or more. So easy to do. But I was thumbing through it. They have some beautiful patterns in here, and um, I noticed that a lot of them, a lot of their patterns are about like $5, which isn't too bad. I kind of like that. If you can, download it and or you can have it mailed to you. Now, if you have it mailed to you, it's free shipping if they mail it to you. Anyway, so I'm just going to be quick to the point. I'm going to open up my Crochet Surprise. I'm excited to see this. I have not been looking very much at the Crochet Surprise on Facebook. They have a Crochet Suprise Facebook page, and a lot of people get on there and they show what they have made and things like that. So here we go. I'm anxious to open this up. Okay, so what could it be? All right, paper. Okay. All right. Okay. Because there was a debate on. There were some people who were saying that they didn't get their pattern. So let's see what this is. Okay. Oh, awesome. I got 4 skeins of this Lion brand 24/7 cotton. I absolutely love cotton. It's one of my favorite types of yarn to use. It's number 4 weight, and it's 186 yards. This one's like a really dusty kind of darker blue. What's this called? What's this color called? It's called denim. Yeah, it is kind of like a dark denim blue. Okay, and that's all I got. I just got 4 skeins of yarn. Okay, and I got some more of this Jasmine Pearl bulk tee. This one's called Lemon and Hibiscus. I know I'm gonna like this. I already can tell I like it because I like both lemon. I like both like lemon and hibiscus. I was actually thinking about growing hibiscus so I can make my own personal herbal teas. Hibiscus is a nice floral flavor, kind of, slightly tropical flavor, but I personally like it. Okay, so let's see what the pattern tells me. Oh, okay. It's called a Wild Rose Market Bag, and I kind of had a sneaking suspicion once I saw the cotton yarn, that's probably what it was going to be. But let me show you what it looks like. You can get a decent photo on that. Here we go. Yeah. Okay. Really cool. Again, this what I like about Crochet Surprise is that they use a lot of the yarns that you can just buy anywhere. You don't have to exclusively go to their website to buy just their yarn, and I like that idea. So this is pretty cool. I like it. I personally could use a new around town bag, especially with this school year, and hopefully this 24/7 cotton will hold up. But yeah, there's a separate little card right here. It kind of tells you how to do the construction, things like that. It's like double-sided here. Oh, there we go. It's pretty cool. I've never made a bag. Oh, I've never made a bag like this. I've actually made a bag, but I've never finished it. It's still a whip. And part of it was like I was trying to figure out how I was going to make the handles on it, and I couldn't figure out how I was going to make the handles. And then I finally found, like this is like 2-3 years later, I finally found something at Hobby Lobby that would help me make handles for it. The kind of handles I think that would be good for that particular bag. And so maybe I'll get to finish it. We'll see. But it's actually kind of close to this same color right here. It's a really dark blue. It's actually made out of cotton, but I use the Hobby Lobby. I love this cotton. It is my favorite cotton. But this is pretty neat. I never used this Lion brand 24/7 cotton. So yeah, I'm anxious to try that too. It's pretty cool. I likes it. I likes it a lot. So I'll just add that to my potential future whips. I probably am not going to be making that anytime soon. Right now, I mean, I don't know. I haven't decided yet. So we'll see. But I do really like this lemon hibiscus. It's a loose leaf tea. It's let's see. It's just hibiscus, lemongrass, lemon balm, and lemon myrtle, and that's it. Very simple. Sometimes you just want a nice aromatic. You don't need like caffeine or anything. Something just to help you feel relaxed. Well, lemon really, I love lemon. It's one of my favorite flavors. So anyway, there we are. Just glad to be home. My shabby little home. I love it. It's mine. I bought it like a year ago. It's almost a year ago that I bought this house. I think it will be on the 28th is when I signed for my house, and I'm just so excited. Yeah, I don't have anything fancy to it. It's old. It needs a lot of love. I love my shabby little house. It's got a lot of potential to it. Soon it's just going to be me and one other person here. My kids moving out to go to college. That's happening in a few more weeks. It was really kind of sad. It's going to be kind of slightly empty nesting, but I'm going to convert her room to a craft room. Yeah, it's so going to happen. So going to happen. I want my bedroom back. When I first moved in, I had the biggest bedroom, and then someone was like, "Oh, I got all this stuff," and I'm like, oh. But I never get the big bedroom. Never. I never got the big bedroom, and I was finally getting the big bedrooms, and I was like, "Do I have all this stuff?" I said, "Fine, I'll move out. You get this other room," So I was just trying to be nice. My bedroom is so small. I've got this big 4-post bed in it, and it doesn't even really even fit. It's just a small room. I mean, the closet's a joke. I mean, it's just a really old house, and I mean, so I'm definitely going to convert her room into my craft room. I've got a sewing machine. Actually, I think I own 2 sewing machines. I got a couple sewing machines. I've got a boatload of yarn that's going to go in there. I'm going to try to get maybe a desk if I can find a reused desk, an inexpensive reused desk, maybe at a Goodwill or thrift store, someplace. So that's just kind of my goals and my plans for that. And maybe eventually I'll get a computer in there, or I can start filming in there. I don't know. We'll see. That's just, little ideas I'm hatching for the moment. Anyway, I am extremely tired. I was crocheting and, almost till midnight last night, and then I had to get up at 4:30 this morning, and I really haven't had hardly any sleep. And then I got zapped by the sun, so I am exhausted. For real, I'm just so tired right now. I'm just gonna eat. Maybe I'll watch another episode on Netflix. Maybe I might crochet something. I'm just so zapped. But yeah, hopefully. Anyway, well, y'all have a great day. Um, and I need like a little catchy like one-liner to end my videos. I really don't know what to say. I mean, like everything I think of, like somebody else is already using. So I don't think I can just say is just have a great day. I mean, really, it's all I can say. Um, you know, we got this one life to live, and just live it, I guess. Yeah, that sounds cheesy too. All right, you have a good day. Bye.